Doesn't this look amazing, you guys? Today we're gonna make some shredded chicken nachos. Full ingredients will be down below. What you see here is some shredded cheese, pinto beans, salsa, guacamole, tomato. We're gonna need some tortilla chips, of course, some chicken breast, and a few other herbs down below. So off camera, I seasoned my chicken with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cumin, and then I went ahead and boiled that in chicken broth with a bay leaf, some smashed garlic, and a yellow onion. And while that boils, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare our diced tomato and our guacamole. I went ahead and scooped and seeded the avocado and seasoned with some salt and pepper. I realized it wasn't, well, I knew it wasn't ripe enough ahead of time. That was my best option. So I went ahead and added some lime juice in there to go ahead and make it a little bit easier for me to work with and get it that nice consistency. By the way, I also added cilantro to my chicken while it was boiling. We're gonna go ahead and chop that up and add it to our guacamole and give it one little final stir. Taste for seasoning, make sure everything is all right. Set that aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and just cook those pinto beans. It only takes a few minutes. I use canned because nobody has time for that. And then a couple of ingredients I didn't mention was cream cheese and whole milk, which I had getting to a simmer, which I'm making a queso cheese sauce. So I'm adding that cheese to the milk and sour cream, give it a twirl. Make sure that your milk and cream cheese does not boil or curdle, and you want to look for a nice, smooth, cheesy, stretchy consistency with this cheese sauce. Then we're gonna go ahead and lay our chips out into a baking pan, and then we're gonna go ahead and top that with some cheese and put that in the oven for a couple minutes just so that cheese melts. So we're gonna go ahead and shred our chicken, and remember we only seared and seasoned the outside. So we're gonna place that shredded chicken back into the juices that it cooked in so we can have some flavor, and we're ready to assemble. So we're gonna go ahead and top this shredded chicken over our melted cheese on our tortilla chips. Make sure we do it evenly. Look at how juicy it is. All that flavor, oh my gosh, it was so good, you guys. And then next, get ready for this. Isn't this just sexy? Like, oh my goodness, it's just beautiful. See, and then you see I added the pinto beans as well off camera. And if anybody told you there was such thing as too much cheese, they probably have amazing cholesterol. We're topping with more cheese back into the oven until it melts. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes, our cilantro, and that's it. If you wanna add guacamole, sour cream, and salsa, absolutely, it's what I did. Jalapenos if you like, whatever you like, the world is your oyster. But these are my shredded chicken nachos, and they were amazing. And then the next day I made shredded chicken tacos. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.